Hello friends. So in the last two activities you saw that whenever we move the candle closer to the object, either the opaque object or a hole in a paper, the resulting shadow or image doesn't have clear boundaries. So why is it so that when you move the candle closer to the object that you don't get clear boundaries? To understand that, we have one small activity to do. Here I have taken an opaque object, a matchbox. There is a screen, and this time I'll be using two light sources. Okay, so first I place one light source here, and we get a shadow on the screen, right? And now when I place another light source, you see what happens. So one shadow is already there, and as I introduce the second light source, another shadow pops up. So there are two shadows, and there is an overlapping region between these two shadows, which appears the darker region, and then there are two semi-dark regions. So first of all, what it's showing us is that whenever there are two light sources, you get two shadows. Okay, if there are more than two light sources, you will get that many shadows. Okay, so when you move the candle closer to the object, it starts acting like an extended light source. Okay, which means the light starts to come from multiple points on the candle, okay, or the wick, the burning wick, and a shadow or image starts to form from each and every point on the wick, just as you see here. So one shadow is forming due to this light source, and one shadow is forming due to this light source. So these are basically acting as 2 points of light sources. Okay, and why we are getting these regions is because as you see that one shadow is already there. As I introduce another light source, a new shadow is appearing. So this portion of the shadow can receive light from this light source, whereas this portion of the shadow, right, this portion can receive light from this light source, and that is why we get overlapping, we get different regions, semi dark and darker, which are also called umbra and penumbra regions, and they result because of the shadow formation due to an extended source of light.